Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, and we have a job to do. Finally, a building video. Now, my room has changed a bit since yesterday. I'll show you. So, the TV was inside, bed was on that side, dresser was there. Steve, I still got your bowling ball. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that now. If you still want it, I'll still send it to you. I just keep forgetting. That little rack shelf figure's gone. I gave this to my mom, so it'll help. I want to try to I got another closet in there for junk, so I want to try get that junk out, get rid of it in there. Put all this stuff in that one so I can get rid of this. I need to clean the lens. Better. And now we're making a bookshelf right here to put movies on and all kinds of crap, more books. So this is the video for today, and this afternoon we're going to get Blizzard, so we'll do that kind of stuff. And we're going to just do a time-lapse build of this. I got the GoPro set up there. Yeah. Pretty neat. So yeah. So we're going to get going in a minute and put this GoPro stuff away. And we got our tools. That's all the tools you need, apparently. Screws and crap. So yeah. So yeah, that's it, and hope you enjoy this.
You have to fix it then. Measure once, cut twice. Goes with the same thing with making a bookcase.
I get fixed. Okay, so I just found a problem. I had to stop the camera. Oh, this is so embarrassing, but you can tell they're not exactly the same way. As you can tell. I wasn't paying attention, I guess, so take this one off and switch them around. Oh my goodness. That'll be more work down there because of all the screws and stuff, so yeah. Not fun. So I'm gonna play the camera once we get it all fixed. Okay, so we got it all together, and there's another problem. You see these holes? They're supposed to be on this side, including this side. These are okay, so I don't know. My mom says I'm practicing for IKEA in case I work there. Man, why do I keep doing this? So what we're gonna have to do is take it off again, and do the freaking thing over again. Oh, alright. I'm gonna get a drink.
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, and it's just started to snow. We're under a blizzard warning, and the winds picked up, and it is like really super cold. All the buses for schools are canceled. A lot of businesses are canceled. Some of Mike's couriers have canceled. So hopefully it actually does snow. But anyway, it has started. But I told you yesterday I would go out and show you how the chickens are doing, and then I didn't get time to do that because my batteries were almost dead. So we will go out and see how the chickens are doing. I have left the door open so they could go out in the coop, but I'm going to shut them in now because I don't want them out there when it's yucky outside and stormy. Okay. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. What you doing? I think they got to have spaghetti this morning, and I have eggs. Okay, so we're gonna get them. I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys. Anyway, okay, because I can't shut this thing with one hand. I'm gonna go shut their window, and then I will come back, because otherwise they will all run out on me. So, yeah, I know you want to come out here, but that's not happening. So here, you can get some. Oh, we'll give him some scratch. We'll give him some scratch first, as Mike calls this crack. Anyway, if I can open this stupid thing. Okay, so this is what we give them. It's basically millet, cracked corn. There's some oat groats. There's something else in there. I can't remember. Oh, sunflower seeds, hulled sunflower seeds, and they love this. So I'm gonna throw this in there for them and distract them for a minute, so I can actually get in here and get these eggs and the window shut without being eaten by one of them, because one of them is not so nice. Yeah. I know. Here, look. So I'm doing this with my left hand here. There you go. Ah, yum. You only have, we have 5 eggs. Awesome. Yeah, Lady Violet, you guys are cold. You're all puffed up. Okay, so we're going to go over here and shut this window. I'll take you guys with me. Look out. Now you just stay right there and don't fly at me today, please. Okay, so here's the door of the run. Let's see if I can do this. And no, you guys stay right there. Okay. Shut. All right, now. Yeah, I know. I'm not to be eaten, okay? And don't peck my leg. So, here's our eggs. One of them likes to lay the eggs on the ground. Listen, leave my boots alone. One of them likes to lay the eggs on the ground under there. The last time I did this with this coat, I bent over and popped an egg. So, there's the other ones right there. These are pretty cold. You guys must have done this a while ago. Yes. Oh, okay. Ugh. Anyway, no, you don't. You're not escaping here. You are not escaping. So we usually have been getting 6 eggs a day, even through the winter time. So we've been pretty lucky. But these are pretty pampered chickens. So yeah, you guys got to stay warm in here today, don't you? I should put some more shavings in here for you. See why they call it scratch? Because they're scratching. Okay, well, I sort of have to get out here, chickens. If that's okay with you and all that. Look out. I'm coming out. Ouch. That was... Okay. No, you stay there, Lady Violet. Watch. Okay. Now, I also have... Where did I put the scoop? Okay, I'm going to put the eggs over here because otherwise they're going to smash in my pocket. So, there we go. I've had a few double yolkers. These aren't. But I have had a few. And one more. Where's the other one? Oh, that's it. Mike got 1 egg this morning. So, yeah. So, we're good. Okay, so, and this morning they've already had some spaghetti that I had left over. And I'm going to give them some lettuce because they love lettuce. And later on, I'll come in and give them some more scratch because the corn kind of warms them up a bit. So that'll give them some heat. But they'll huddle up together on that roost right there, all close together, and they'll stay nice and warm. And they don't really move off there in the night time. So there you go. That's why you don't want to let them into your vegetable garden, because that's what's going to happen to your vegetables. And I would bring one of you out to play with you, but I can't hold a camera and pet you at the same time. So, yeah, so there's the chicken update. They've been going outside every day as long as it hasn't been raining and too snowy out. And we go and shovel out the run. And then we also have to go and shovel out the... shovel off the roof a bit, so might brace that up a bit more. Here's the one thing about chickens. You see all this dust here? That's from chickens. That's from chickens and their feed and the hay and the straw and the shavings. It's all over everything in here. Anyway, they're happy, we're happy, and yeah. So anyway, that's it for now. I don't know if there's anything interesting out. Yeah, see, Mike's braced this up a bit more because the snow is sitting on top, and they haven't eaten hardly any of their past is frozen, and that's going to be under the snow. I might just leave it because they'll go searching for that. I'll ask Mike. Anyway, that's it for me. It's freezing out. Oh, as you can see here, we've had something in here chewing its way out. I'm assuming it's a squirrel. It might be a rat. There have been rats around, but we've got traps set up for those. So anyway, that's it. Take you back in to do some more work with Jeremy. Bye.
You doing talk on a bookshelf?
What?
Doing talk on a bookshelf?
Next to the building.
No, you're doing talk on a bookshelf.
Yeah.
So neat.
Here right now.
I don't know. Why
Well, you'll be fat.
why are we talking?
I am too.
Why
Right, so number 10 goes down here on the black side.
Yeah, the backside here.
I think. No, down here.
This part, you already have the wrong part. That's not right.
You'll hold it down?
Yeah.
And I'll nail it. Alright. You want it to be alright, so.
Sure.
I'm leaving the stretch for that. Show where to put nails.
Sure, we have a little bit more space on the book. So we didn't have the other one there?
Where's food? You just nail up the right hand.
You might just have to leave it, Jeremy. I've run to invent a nail remover.
Let's stop this again. Okay, next one goes down here.
Did the two corners over and then these two corners and then
I'm not sure it's flat though.
it should be.
Right under these guys. Make sure you're close to the edge, okay?
It goes
You
here.
need one right here. I put one there.
And that one's really easy.
Does that one go through?
I'm not sure.
Second. Okay, look.
Yeah, don't drop it on me.
Oh, hurry up.
Yes, it did. It did go through.
Okay. Good. Now. Hurry up.
It's fixing a car. Not much in the side.
And move it down to this side. Oh, it did go through. Let's put this on the corner edge.
Yeah. Out of that.
Okay. Get under here. Big.
Yeah, we're gonna go crooked on this one maybe because there's not much. Okay.
This one here. Okay. Slide in a bit more if you can. Good. Melt it.
How you doing now? You gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
Did you have your breakfast?
No, I
Oh, you might as well have lunch now.
what about you?
That one's got 13 here.
I'll go. No, I'll wait for lunch now.
There's leftover spaghetti for you if you want that.
Yeah, go.
That's that side.
All these edges are flat. You guys come put me up here and here. This will get flattened out once you get to here.
All the little
See, it's already flat. I'm putting it out here. It's flat. Nice and flat.
after this, you go put your friends, okay? Get the other side.
And number nine. Okay, 10.
Did I say you could have that? Yes.
That's a good idea.
Devin. Can you help me lift it up? I'll lift it up while you grab it, okay? Cut it. Really unstable.
Yes.
Oh, that's why I sound like ants. That's it. I'm gonna put it here so I can shelf some video.
How does it look?
Just go for it. Doesn't mess up all my expressions.
It looks good, Jeremy. Now you need to take all the little numbers
I'm
out.
done. I'm done yet.
I know, but you can take, oh yeah, you.
Okay.
These are adjustable shelves. I don't want these, that's right. You might want to just give it a dust before you put it on. Do you need more to go in?
Yeah.
You want to hold it so you put it in?
Sure. It has a string, so I can get it to my wall. That's what it's saying.
Oh yeah, Dad would make you put it on the wall. That's weird that they use a string for it.
Get out of here. Go.
What? I'm just making it follow.
Okay.
Any more? Oh. So you can adjust them as you want. Oh, if you want them to be different or the same or whatever. Know what you need to do.
I'll put these colors in.
Oh, for where?
And the keyholes.
I don't see any.
Oh, on top.
Ah. Stay there.
Alright, so it's done. I just gotta get to the wall, and I just gotta figure out what this piece is. I think it's the rope. If I'm correct. Yeah. Okay. Well, I gotta clean up the area first, so yeah. Alright, I'll give you guys a little update here. Well, this is my movie shelf right here, and CDs and stuff. That's from my Xbox. So I got all my movies that I bought and stuff. These are like all the kiddie movies, like animation ones. Back here are the good ones. As you can see. Yeah, Skyfall, yeah. And Blu-rays, CDs, Monster Truck, DVDs, series, the whole MASH series. Love that show. Big books are going up here. Here I think I'm going to put the small books. And, yeah, I'll give you a weather update. Absolutely zero. Oh, I just saw a snowflake. Okay, never mind. Oh, look at it. It's just starting to come. Cool. Alright, it's coming now. Never mind. Alright, so the storm is like about an hour or two delayed. So, and they canceled school this morning, but school ended an hour ago, so they could have had it, but whatever. Give you an update here. So we got our shelves sorted out. We got books, games, DVDs, YouTube stuff, school stuff, blah blah blah. And yeah, so I got vacuumed my bed after all because all the wood got on it. Yeah. So trying to empty this to get rid of this thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Before going any further with anything else, I'm just gonna do a cleanup, and I'll start in my closet. But yeah, so there's an update for you guys, and looking pretty good. Can't wait to get it done. Okay, now she is here. Wow. I gotta go get the mail. I wanted to wait until the blizzard started. I don't know why, but it started, so waiting for Mom to come in to cut that because I'm freezing in my room. Why is it so cold? I gotta get this moved. She took the dogs out for a walk, so I'll wait for her to come back. Come taking Devin. He wants to come too. It's extra cold out there today too, so yeah. There's an update for you guys. There's an update for you guys. Should train it quickly, huh? So what I'm gonna do is just clean up everything here. Check on my floor and stuff, and do everything else tomorrow because I've been doing this since 9, and it's just, I want to do something else now. So I'll put all the stuff away on the floor and leave the rest for tomorrow. So yeah. Wow, look at all the snow already. Holy crap. Wow. That's crazy. Alright there guys, here's an update for you. Got 1 more hour of updates left. And it's time to edit. Well, here's the final snow updates, 5/16. My cutoff time, and you can see we have a lot. So yeah. So here's the final look until tomorrow morning. It's gonna be crazy, I'm sure. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you probably tomorrow with more snow.